Hey, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, man. As y'all can see by the title, another sleep token. You feel me? Y'all show love last time, and someone wanted me to react to Emergence, so here I am. I like the last one. I fucked the last one, so I'm pretty sure I fuck with this one too. So, without further ado, it's great. Let's get straight to this. I fumbled my words so bad, that was crazy.
Well, you were late in bus, living on a promised word.
And I'm doing lyrics again because last time I did it, it helped me. So you feel me?
Well, I am the rose you relinquished again. You and I are down head first in another world I had. I have a feeling we're close to the end. So come on, come on.
The vocal switch
Out from underneath
that got me. That little guitar in the back started going crazy. That shit started going crazy out of nowhere. That shit hit. It sounded like it sounded like he skipped it, like the beat jumped a little. I don't know. Alright, hold on. My bad. That's bothering me. Why the beat doing that? Am I tweaking? It's like it dropped twice. Like right there. I don't. I'm gonna let it play.
Space touch for your few rods. Dark days for your solstice, dancing through the depths of hellfire on the winds that started from within. My blood beats so alive, might tear right through my skin. So tell me what you meant by living past your half-life and lockstep with the universe and your well past in the afterlife. You know that I'm sanctified by what's below. No matter what you do, no matter where you go. Take away the pain and let my mind go quiet. And nothing else is quite the same as how I feel when I'm on your side.
That shit almost got me going. The last one. That shit almost got me going the first time they did that. I love this part. This sounds so hard. Arms around me. Nice little smooth ending. Is that a saxophone? I think it is. I think that's it. Last time I skipped, people's mad at me. I ain't gonna skip. Damn, my eyes look like that. W song though. I need somebody to wrap their arms around me, man. Nigga lonely. But I'll just say that. Yeah, nice little hug would be nice. You know what I mean? I fucked with that song. I liked when it did the. I'm still confused about the beat because I like why did it do that? I don't know. It sounded weird. But when this where's it? Right here was when the beat hit like this, I like this. But yeah, like why did the beat do that? It's like it skipped it skipped or something, I don't know. Maybe that's a different style that I'm not used to. I'm used to rap, but, you know what I mean? But I fucks with that song. I like that. I like that. You feel me? Somebody wrap your arms around me, arms around me. That was I like that. I like that part. And then when the guitar when the guitar really hit, that was good. That sound real good. Fuck with Sleep Token. I would never thought I would listen to some metal shit. I'm not gonna lie. Someone did say it was metal. I thought it was like soft rock, but they said they categorized as metal, and I didn't know it was a band. I thought it was one person, but it's a band. That dude, that dude kind of sound like a band name. It does, but like, and they said they was anonymous, some shit like that. But that don't matter. Song was good though. I fucks with it. I appreciate y'all if y'all stay to the end. Follow all of these links in the description. And let me know what you want me to react to next. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, alright?